Today I'm diving into Bitwarden Send, a lesser known, but seriously powerful feature of the Bitwarden ecosystem. If you're already using Bitwarden as a password manager, you might have overlooked this feature. Bitwarden Send allows you to share sensitive information like passwords, notes, or even files, securely and easily. What makes it stand out is the use of end-to-end encryption, meaning the data is encrypted before it leaves your device, and can only be decrypted by the recipient. There's no middleman that can do your data, not even Bitwarden itself. When you first log into your Bitwarden vault and navigate to the Send tab, the interface is clean and straightforward. You can choose between text and file types. For example, if you want to send login credentials to a colleague or a file containing sensitive project information, you just select the file, set your parameters, like expiration date, access count, and whether the link is password protected, and click Send. Bitwarden generates a unique link that you can safely share. The platform is open source and has a transparent security model, which gives it a lot of credibility in the privacy community. One major perk is that Bitwarden Send is included in the free plan, though there are limitations on file size. Free users can send up to 100 megabytes files, while paid plans increase this limit. That's one point to consider if you're planning to use it for larger files. Bitwarden also allows for link expiration, deletion after access, and the option to hide the name of the sender to maintain anonymity. However, I did encounter a couple of drawbacks. One is that there's no recipient verification. Anyone with a link can access the file unless you enable password protection. Another minor issue is that mobile functionality isn't as smooth as on desktop. Sometimes it takes a few extra steps to upload or access files. Still, it's far better than sending files through email or unsecured messaging apps. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. From a user experience perspective, Bitwarden Send is intuitive. There's no clutter, and the process of creating a new send item takes under a minute. On the receiving end, the person gets a sleek and easy-to-navigate interface. No login is required, which is great for non-tech-savvy users. You just open the link, input the password if it's protected, and download the content. As for security, Bitwarden has undergone third-party audits and penetration testing. Their encryption protocols are strong, and they're upfront about their security practices. That transparency is refreshing in a time when so many services are vague about how they handle user data. If you're in a professional setting where sensitive communication is crucial, think legal, financial, or healthcare, Bitwarden Send offers a reliable solution without needing additional software. But even for personal use, it's a step above traditional file sharing. That said, if you're looking for real-time collaboration or cloud syncing, this isn't the tool for that. It's purely for secure one-way sharing. If you value privacy and want a no-fuss way to send secure information, Bitwarden Send is worth trying out. I've used it for everything from sharing personal documents to sending credentials to clients, and it's become a staple in my privacy toolkit. Make sure to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews just like this one.